Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour. I need lots of practice on this. The Dutch pours don't turn out as well for me as I would like, so I'm definitely going to try one tonight. I've got black canvas with black paint on it. Got to give it a quick little torch, get some of the bubbles out, and we'll get started. Now what I want to do is some blues and a little bit of white with silicone in it and see how that turns out. It's just going to be a puddle pour and then a blowout. That's what I got planned. Alright, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. It would be very much appreciated. And everybody that keeps coming back to watch, you're awesome, and I can't say it enough. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to start with ultramarine blue. And I'm just going to put it right into the middle. Try not to get any dry flakes of paint in my painting this time. I think it's going to be a fairly generous size puddle. That's pretty good. And then my next color is going to be my sky blue. And then we're going to do some white. Then I'm going to add some of my brilliant blue, which has a little bit of silicone as well, but it only has like 2 drops in it. Whoops, I don't know what that bubble was, but it seems like it's a little bit of a runnier consistency I did of this one. Hopefully it doesn't screw up my painting. Nah, we'll fix it. It'll be all good. Okay, and my cerulean blue, which is a very pretty blue. Okay. I think I'm going to do one more dab of white. And then I'm going to flood it with some more black. All the way around. Gotta be very generous with the black. Okay. I'm happy with that. Let me grab my blow dryer. Sorry, and I'm going to blow the black into the colors I just put on there. Just going to let that sit for a couple of seconds. I've already got some cell action happening, which is very cool. That's what I want. Okay, let's blow this out. I think I'm just going to go this way and leave a little bit of negative space down here. That's my plan. It's looking awesome. I need a little bit of white right there, I think. I'm going to just add a little bit here and here. Yeah, that should be enough. Perfect, that's what I want. Okay, let me give it a torch. Look at all the cells and I haven't even torched it yet. That's awesome. Now I think I'm going to grab my little compressor, my airbrush, and just do a couple of little areas. Right here. Over here. Love this in here. It's awesome. Okay, I'm not messing with it anymore. That is gorgeous. Okay, hopefully you can get a good picture of that. I'll tilt it a little bit, but I'm not going to move it very much because I don't want it to move. Oh, look at that. It's just gorgeous. Alright, let's tilt it back this way a tiny bit. There we go. Well, why is it not sitting straight? There we go. Now it is. Alright, that was a quick painting. But look at how awesome those cells are turning out. It's very cool. Alright, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope this shows you anybody can do pour painting. You can do Dutch pours. You can do the tilts. All you need to do is get some glue all, some acrylic paint, water, and start doing it. Alright, enjoy everyone. Thank you.